snoring, that means I'm sleeping well.
Yeah.
It means I'm
Exactly.
on. He's a good sleeper because he's no. There is nothing more sexy than a man who doesn't snore.
Tossing, turning, snoring, or waking up tired. Why does it happen, and what will be the solution?
Only use your bed as a place to sleep. If you're lying there tossing and turning, get out of bed because you're training your body that bed is the place where I don't sleep.
What happens when we don't sleep for a day or two?
We sometimes wear poor sleep like a badge of honor. One poor night of sleep and you're at risk of a road traffic accident.